Hi, I'm Omid from Phoenix English. Do you mix up the words because and because of? It's possible that you do and you know it. And it's possible that you do mix them, but you don't know it. So let's find out in this lesson. Now, both of these terms are used to give reasons, but grammatically in English, they're actually used very differently. So let's understand this difference in this lesson. So first, because by itself is a conjunction in English. And because of in English is a two-word preposition. So technically they're different. Now, because the conjunction is followed by a subject and a verb. Because of the two-word preposition is followed by a noun or a noun phrase. So that's the grammar of it. Let's look at some examples so you can really understand this. So here's an example of using because properly. Because it was raining, we canceled the picnic. Alright, so what do you see? You see the word because, you see a subject, it, was raining, verb, right? Because it was raining, we canceled the picnic. So that's the proper use of the word because it's followed by a subject and a verb. Now, let's look at the same sentence with because of. So as we said, because of should be followed by noun or noun phrase. Let's see if that happens in our example. Because of the rain, we canceled the picnic. You see how it's quite different from the first example? Here we said, because it was raining. Here we said, because of the rain. So here, because is followed by rain, which is a noun, right? And then the rest of it is the same. Now, even though in both these sentences I started with the word because, it doesn't have to be like that. It could be the other way around. It could be, we canceled the picnic because of the rain. Or, we canceled the picnic because it was raining. Okay? That part doesn't matter. But this part about because of or just because is still the same. Let's take another example. Because the flight was delayed, they missed the meeting. What do we have here? We have because the flight, subject, was delayed is our verb, right? So that's fine. Because the flight was delayed, they missed the meeting. Let's look at the next example. Because of the flight delay, they missed the meeting. So this time, we have here our noun. Because of the flight delay, noun phrase. They missed the meeting. Do you see how it's quite different? Let's see how well you've understood this by actually doing some practice together. Before we continue, I just wanted to tell you that now Phoenix English has an Instagram page, which is Phoenix English Lang. I would be really happy if you also follow my Instagram page. Thank you. So, we have here 8 fill-in-the-blank sentences, which you will fill in with either because or because of. Remember the rules. Because plus a subject or and verb, or because of plus a noun or noun phrase. Let's get started. Number 1. Blank. She was busy. She didn't call me. Should we say, because she was busy, she didn't call me? Or should we say, because of she was busy, she didn't call me? Which one is right? It should be, because she was busy. Because we have because plus a subject. She was busy. Okay? Next. Blank. The traffic jam? They were late. Blank the traffic jam. They were late. Should it be because the traffic jam or because of the traffic jam? Which one is right? It should be because of the traffic jam. Good. Number 3. Blank, he had the flu. He couldn't work. Blank, should it be because he had the flu or because of he had the flu? Which one is right? Because. Okay? Again, because, subject, and verb. Next, blank, the distance, they took a taxi. Should it be because the distance, they took a taxi, or because of the distance? It should be because of the distance, right? Because we have a noun after that. Because of the distance, they took a taxi. Number 5, we visited John, blank, he was in a hospital. So, we visited John because he was in a hospital, or we visited John because of he was in a hospital. It should be because. So, we visited John because he was in a hospital. Alright? Good. I couldn't concentrate, blank, the noise. Should it be I couldn't concentrate because the noise or because of the noise? Which one is right? Okay, because of the noise. Number 7. She was hungry, blank, she hadn't eaten all day. She was hungry because she hadn't eaten or because of she hadn't eaten. Which one? She was hungry because. Very good. And the last one, here we go. We changed the appointment, blank, the storm. We changed the appointment because the storm or because of the storm. What's the storm? It's a noun. So we should say because of the storm. Okay? I hope you got this right. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good luck with your English. Bye for now.